Flight not to Bangkok, please remain seated and you can close that.
Welcome to IXES2026. Here are some of the year's highlights.
At Equinor Mongstad Refinery, we are proud to be part of this conference. It is important to work together to strengthen our collective ability to respond effectively to emerging threats, including those related to use of unmanned systems. It is important for Equinor Mongstad to be part of this conference, to work together to strengthen our collective ability to respond effectively to emerging threats. It is important that we constantly seek to learn and improve our ability to protect people, critical infrastructure, and the environment in a world with increasing security threats.
Fantastic event. It brings together all the relevant people and it also enables testing in a relevant environment. There's no better place than here. You have the infrastructure, you have all the people here, and you have all the equipment here.
It has been a great experience representing the autonomous and remotely operated system from the United Nations Office of Counterterrorism. And the main experience is that we have a lot to do in the USV and the underwater domain. It has been very important, especially at this stage in terms of critical infrastructure support and defense.
We are here to explain how extended reality can help drone operations for BVLOS in law enforcement, defense, and so on.
Our highlight for the event has definitely been taking part in the exercises as part of the Blue Team and having the opportunity to really test the capabilities, particularly suspicious behavior within an operational context.
Maritime robotics are here at IXES to show how sea drones are vital assets in safeguarding critical infrastructure.
Ron Raider was pleased to join this big event. It's about learning, collaboration, and also standardization for the future regarding counter-UAS. I think we learn a lot. Of course, it's all about comparing the data which you have received as an organization. But we loved working together with other stakeholders in the process, and it was well organized.
And what is flying around, we see a spillover from, let's say, fiber drones, for instance.
Being the Red Team leader here for Interpol around the critical national infrastructure and what is a explosive hydrocarbon environment has been a challenge. With that challenge comes a whole unique set of competencies and skills from our pilots and also that of the partners here who are operating in counter-UAS.
Christopher Church, what has been your highlight of this year's conference?
It's the rapid adoption of technology in drones, but also in land and sea and air, and also the interest from over 35 member countries to attend this event.
And for you, Stig Kjøsnes?
The opportunity to learn from and with the international QS community was absolutely the highlight.
Thank you so much for being the host of this year's event together with Gasco. See you somewhere next year.